Hello, everyone. In this video, we are going to show you how to complete an exemption application. This is not a logged in activity, so we'll begin on the Maine Tax Portal homepage and navigate to the Businesses panel, and we'll select Exemptions. Depending on the type of exemption application you are requesting, you would either select Commercial Exemption Application or Other Exemption Applications. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will select Commercial Exemption Application. Throughout this process, there will be required fields or actions. These will be indicated by red asterisks or a red circled I. You will not be able to proceed until they have all been filled in. You will need to provide your exemption type. You can select your exemption type by checking the correct option from the list. And we'll click Next to proceed. Based on the exemption type you requested on the previous screen, you will be required to attach supporting documentation for that specific exemption type. On the introduction screen, which we are currently on, the type of attachments are described. Once you've read through that, we'll click Next to proceed. Please take note of the Save Draft button at the bottom of the screen, which allows you to save progress and continue later. You can also cancel your request and not save your progress by selecting the Cancel button. On the business information screen, we are asked to select our ID type, our ID number, and our first and last name. Depending on the ID type that you select, you may also be required to provide your business legal name. You'll also provide your contact phone number, email address, and your original business start date. If this is an exemption renewal, you will select yes. If not, select no. For the purposes of today's demonstration, we're going to say no. If we had said yes, we would be asked to provide our current or previous exemption number. The last item on this screen relates to your business activities. If you are engaged in more than one commercial activity and would like exemption for each, a separate application will need to be submitted. In the table below, we're going to enter in each business activity that we have and its corresponding percentage of our business activity. And once we've done so, we will click Next to proceed. On the next screen, we'll be required to enter in our business address. As always, addresses must be verified by the United States Postal Service by clicking the blue hyperlink. After we verified the address, we are required to say whether our mailing address is different from our business address. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to say no and click Next to proceed. On this screen, we are required to add any additional attachments. All supporting documents must be submitted with this application to avoid a delay in processing. You can add an attachment by clicking the Add Attachment hyperlink, selecting which type of attachment you are providing, adding a description, browsing for your file, and clicking OK. You will repeat this process for all necessary attachments. And once you've added everything, you may click Next to proceed. Next is the declaration page. Next, we're brought to the declaration screen where we are asked to confirm that this application is true, correct, and complete. And we'll enter our first and last name. And again, to confirm. And we'll click Submit. We are asked to provide our email address. This will allow us to access this request at a later date, and we'll enter it again to confirm and click OK. This brings us to the confirmation page. As always, we do encourage you to make note of this information for your records. That does conclude our demonstration of how to submit an exemption application. Thank you all for watching.